quick review about the Minger LED strips. As you can see, they're pretty, obviously they're pretty, and they have a good feature. So let's watch this demo. Now if I talk, like you can see, I will make you a tour of the room. But as you can see, when I talk, the color change, and if I talk louder, the color get more hot, like red or hot, more bright, should I say. Even the red, the blue and the white is brighter. But as you can see, it following the sound of my voice. It does that all the way around the room. I can't show you, I can't do that anyway, but you won't see much because my cockpit is in the way. But as you can see, it followed the sound of my voice. So imagine the music, it will do the same thing. I've tried it, but if you want the lights to follow only the music, you need to stay quiet in all time, because it will also follow any noise that you're producing in the room. So this is it for the music option. Let me change it to a fixed color and you will see you can do pretty much any color. I will put it in orange for now. And this is my front left set. Front right. In a minute. Color, and I said orange. And the fun part is, since all the sets are in one app, when I changed the first set, it keep it in memory. So as soon as I click the color button on the next set, it switched to the same color. So at least I don't have to change color for every set. So as you can see, there's still one set who's still in music mode. And let me put it in color, steady color as well. It's this one. It takes about 2-3 seconds to connect to the control box, so I will put that in 2, 1 now. So it's all orange, and from there I can change color if I want to put it blue. This is blue, but it's solid color. I can put it purple or yellow, green, and you have the range of color here, the bar, so you can change the color whatever. It doesn't work. If I put it black, okay, I got it. If I go, if I want it manually, let's say I wanted that purple, it go that purple. So that's a good feature of the lights. And the scene button, as you can see, you have several options. If I put that on sun morning, it become red. I don't know why morning is red. Maybe someone is pissed off in the morning. If I put that in sunset, it should be more orange. Yeah, it is more orange. Movie, I find out that it is the brightest color if you want just the room to be as clear as possible. Movie is the right color to choose. Dating, it's kind of, yeah, pink, orange pink color. If you choose romantic, switch to red. If you go to blinking, it's changing color. So it's some kind of good purpose. Candle must be in the yellow or something. Candle. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but it's mimicking the lightning of the candle, moving from bright yellow, not bright, but light yellow to more dark orange. So it's kind of cool. And the last one is snowflake. As I said, as you can see, there's some lights on, some light off, mimicking the snowflake, I guess. That's what they call snowflake. And as you can see, I changed only one. And you also can do your own scene. I made one last night. It kept that in memory. You can adjust the speed. I won't change it because all my sets will have the same preset. I hope it will keep it in memory. I set the style as fade. The color was orange, but if I apply it, oh, it's the one behind. Sorry about that. It's the one behind. You can see it changing from light green going to dark red, and it will do that if I go with a more orange, not orange but blue. It will give me more blue and purple colors, but for the orange color that I choose, it's the pattern it's doing. So let's try if I go with the other lights, the pattern, or if I will have to set it back all over again. That was the right left, so let's do the front right. Another 2 or 3 seconds to connect. I click do it yourself, supposed to be in the same speed, but I don't know if it will match it. No, it doesn't. As you can see, the junction between the two strips are just over my PlayStation, and as you can see, it doesn't match this one. The front left at the moment is a little behind, so to match them as possible, I find out that when you click apply, it go, let's see which one we choose, it go to light green. So if I click apply again, it will go to orange, and now I know the next time will be light green. So when go to orange again, so now the next time it will be light green. So to match the other set, as soon as it will turn off, I will click apply. And I was too early. As you can see, it's pretty hard to match. You need to try and error, basically. Try to match them again. Oh, I'm close there, I'm close. I'm still a little behind, but it's closer. But you will see the strip on the right will turn off after the red section will turn off a little earlier than the left one. It's pretty close though. Actually, there it's right on. So as you can see, this one is not, it's not set yet, still on steady color. Let me change it. 5 meter left side. I will try to match it as well. I'm on the dark side. Yeah, orange. I will try to match it on the next it was a little early, but I think I nailed it pretty close. Let's see when it will turn off. Look very close. Yeah, that's good. So now I will make you see all around the room is all matching. So it's doable, but it's should be just one button, if you ask me. So all the room is like pulsing like that. You can change the speed, but if you change the speed, you need to change it and adjust it between all 3 sets, which is another challenge. But it's pretty cool so far. So there's a lot of good side to those lights. The music feature is pretty cool. It follows the music pretty accurately, but it's not only music, it's sensors, a little mic in those box. There's a little hole, you can see it from there, but there's a little mic in the box which capturing the sound, so it's not only music, but when you're talking you have the burst or the pulse of matching your voice, the tone of your voice. So if you are listening music and you're talking or you banging a furniture with anything, it will show. So it's not just following music, it's not connected to an audio system, but it's just ambient sound. So any sound will make them react. I have only 2 cons, should I say cons, because my walls are clean, it's brand new paint, a 1-week paint. I cleaned it before sticking the strips, and the glue, I believe it's 3M stickers behind it. It's not very good. You see, I have one section from there to the other part of the room was completely laying on the ground this morning. So they really need to use better stickers, better glue. Let me get rid of that. So what I used to fix it, or it seems to hold now, I had a leftover of 2-way tape. It's kind of a foam, about 1/8 of inch thick, which is sticking on both sides. You stick one side, after that you peel the layer and you stick whatever you need to stick. And it's holding, so this is a fix. The downside about that is that if I turn off the light, you see since it's very thick, you can see the foam, but it's not a big deal. Since my room is black, the lights are pretty much always turned on when I'm in it, so it's not a big problem. And the second con, or the second downside, should I say, is my room is not very big, but yet I needed 3 sets to make the full perimeter. 2 sets of 5 meters and 1 set of 3 meters. And they cannot be connected to each other like Christmas lights, should I say, you know, where you can connect one set to another set to another set. Those are very independent, so you have a control box for each set. So now, obviously, I cannot let those things lay down like that. It's ugly, it doesn't do. And let me show you the other side. This side I have my projector screen, and I have the module of the control box in the middle of my screen. So they have stickers, 3M stickers behind it, so I will stick the box somewhere over the light, so it will not show. But yeah, in the app they should have an option of controlling all the sets you have with one button only. So when you ask one set to do something, they all do the same thing, so it's synchronized. But I haven't found anything on in the app that can do that so far. So maybe I will find it. Maybe they will make a update about that. I hope so, because at the moment it kind of sucks. Fortunately, I will pretty much always use those lights on a fixed color like that. So if I change color, I just have to change the color of 3 sets and it's done. But most of the time it will be clear like that, since it's my game room, and when I'm gaming it needs to be dark anyway, so I won't use any lights. The lightning is more when I'm getting in and out of my cockpit, which is not very long, and you can turn off the lights with your phone, so you can get up in your cockpit, your play seats, or whatever you want to go. You can go sit on your sofa and turn them off with your phone, so you don't have to close the switch or close the module and walk in the dark, which is a good thing. So my two negative comments about that are the glue or the stickers behind them, and the lack of synchronization between the lights, and the fact that you can't connect one set at the end of the other, so you have a continuity, and you don't have 3 boxes to control but just one. You know, it will be very cool. What I will do, because I don't want it to be like that, you know, I need a wall power at every cord, and I won't deal with that. So what I will do, since there are a lot of information getting through those wires, I won't do anything to them, but the power cord is only 2 wires, so I will cut the power cord. I have enough spare wire like that laying down in the basement. So what I will do, I will cut the power cord and I will make extend them so they all go behind, they all connect on my power bar over my audio system, so it won't show too much. I will put the cover back after I will done the installation. So I will have my box, my control box, sticking over the light somewhere where I can turn them off, or you can also use scenes and everything on each control box when I want to calm them or to hide them, so I cannot use in case of the app go wild or don't know for any possible reason. So I will stick the control box somewhere over the lights, and when the lights are turned on it won't show anyway, and the power will go over the lights, very close to the lights. I don't know if you can see, but there's a wire there, and maybe it shows on the camera, but with the human eye I barely see it because the lights are too bright. So I will run the power cord over the light, over the strip on both sides, and reach my power bar here, so I will have at least the power only at one place, and it will be more convenient if I want to use my power connection in the wall. They will be available. I won't have anything laying down from the roof, from the ceiling like that. So this was a review of the Minger LED strips. I recommend it, guys. So take care, see you later.